I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I love St. Patrick's Day. I have always loved St. Patrick's Day. I love the parades. I love the color green. I love the festive feel of the day. It's one of those holidays that, well, as a kid, we always had the big parties in school and everybody wore green. And it's just fun and everybody's happy. Today is our collab challenge with our little elf dolls, any elf doll at all. And if you are in on this challenge, I don't want to forget to say this, please leave me a note below so that I come to your channel and see your elf. I don't want to miss any. We are using the hashtags ShowUsYourElvesStPats and our St. Pats, I'm sorry. ShowUsYourElvesStPats. But we don't want to miss one single video. This is so much fun, and I made a new dress. My little doll's name is Tora McTavie, and she absolutely needed a fancy gold-trimmed St. Patrick's Day outfit. These are not leprechauns. They're gnomes, which is absolutely funnier. I do love leprechauns, but when I saw this fabric, I don't think I had this doll yet when I bought this fabric. I love it. And that ginger beard and doing the different things, I just love it. Thank you for participating. Thank you so much to Jay at J Dolls UK, Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, Penny at Playful Reborns, and Dory at Dory's Dollies. Please be sure to go by and see your hosts' videos today, because they have some really cute stuff coming up. And next month's challenge is going to be Easter. Anything Easter. Easter setting, Easter dress, Easter outfit, Easter. We hope you will participate in that one too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.